Question from the Modern Divorce Support Group. It says, child support question. My 2-year-old's father has not been involved since day one. He moved across the country and doesn't plan to come back. I wasn't going to try for any child support, but it could be helpful, and I feel like he should have some responsibility since he made her too. He refused to sign the acknowledgement of paternity after the DNA test result came back and didn't attend our first court date via Zoom to have the court basically call him the father. They're going to move forward with collecting financials. What if he refuses to supply those too? Hi, my name is Billy Tarasio. This question is from the Modern Divorce Support Group on Facebook. Most people are telling this mom that she should not have asked because it is not worth it to have a father involved who does not want to be involved. I have such mixed feelings on that. Mostly I decide to just not participate in the patriarchy as much as possible and just do whatever I want to do regardless of what society's expectations are. The thing is that moms who maybe wouldn't want the responsibility of a baby have to figure it out because physically they have to figure it out. They grow the baby and they birth the baby. And so why should men and fathers be able to walk away so easily? And why should so many women indulge them in their ability to walk away? The response, of course, is because men can be a huge pain in the ass, and it might be worse off for mom and child to have dad involved. So this is an incredibly specific question, right? Who is this man that is the father? But this particular woman's question, she's already filed. There's already been a DNA test. That DNA test has already provided that the father in question is the father. Your question is, what happens if he refuses to provide his financials? You use whatever information you can to impute his financials. So what do you know about this man? What is his career? What is his occupation? Did he go to college? You find job postings for how much those pay, and you ask the court to use that number, and you aim high. Make it in his interest to show up and provide actual information. Otherwise, you're going to assume that it's higher than it really is, probably. Whether or not you get yourself a child support order does not make him more or less likely at this point in time to get visitation with your daughter or son. If he wants to show up and get parenting time, then you can cross that bridge when you get there. Right now, you're trying to maximize your child support, and you made the best decision with all of the facts that you have, which are different from the facts that we have or the internet has. I hope that you've got great people advising you who really understand the situation and can ask all the right questions to help you make the best decision.